Alright, sorry guys, I had to pause the video. My family just showed up. There's like a town-wide garage sale today. So all came over to my house because I have like a an awesome location for a garage sale. It's like right in the village. So my mom and sister and my little cousin are here today. So if you hear any noise in the background, blame them, not me. But anyways, what we're learning about printing stuff out on the screen. So we learn how to do that. Basically, right now our program is saying is print this out, play a beep on our computer, and then print this out. Of course, since our program runs real fast, it's gonna just look like it's doing everything at once. But that's what's happening right now. And another thing I want to talk to you guys about is comments because you probably are going to be seeing these a lot, and I want to explain to you guys what they are so you don't get confused whenever you come across them. So a comment is basically just little notes that you can put in your program, and they're just notes for you to read. The computer, whenever it sees a comment, it ignores it. Your compiler doesn't care about it. It's just notes that you can have in there for reminders, or if you're working on program with other programmers, you can put little notes in there. So anytime you want to make a comment on multiple lines, you do this. Put two, well, I'll type it first. Pretty much your comment starts wherever you put forward slash asterisk above the 8, and then you can type your comment in multiple lines, and then to symbolize the end of your comment, do the same thing but backwards. So asterisk forward slash. So again, the beginning is the forward slash first, the ending is the forward slash last. So then, that typically wouldn't be your comment. Your comment would be something like, this is my program. It prints out my name. It's awesome, or something like that. So you'll probably have them like above functions. You'll see them a lot, and it explains what the function does, or at the top of your program to explain what the program does. So again, that's a multi-line comment. Now, whenever you just want to leave a comment on one line, like a short little note, what you can do is you can add two forward slashes in a row. Now everything you type after this is going to be commented out, or it's going to be ignored by the computer. So you can say, these are the lines that print my name. So basically, whenever your compiler is going to build this program, the first thing it does is it rips out all of these comments because, it doesn't care about them. So that's why whenever you build and run it, it runs it the exact same way as if the comments didn't even exist. Just, so you can pretty much make notes. Simple stuff. And also, whenever I put the source code on my website, I'll probably comment some stuff. So if you guys, I don't know, can't watch the video for some reason, then you guys can just read what each line does. Now, in the next tutorial, I think, since we're kind of running out of time, is I'm going to talk to you guys about something called conversion characters, and that is how to make this little piece printf statement a whole lot better. So I'll show you guys then, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.